A Morogoro resident, Mr. Nyangusi Liza, became an internet sensation when a video of him praying over his car not to be swept away by floods went viral on Tuesday. In a Facebook post that accompanied the video, Mr. Liza explained that it was his little faith that saved his car. In the video, Mr. Liza is praying on top of his voice, rebuking the devil from moving his car. He has told MCL Digital that he believed God could save his car, and he recalled a verse in the Bible, Jeremiah 33 verse 3, that says, "Call to me and I will answer you, and show you great and mighty things which you do not know."
Kwa jina la Yesu gari langu aliondoke. Kwa jina la Yesu gari aliondoke. Ehomo. Kwa jina la Yesu. Kwa jina la Yesu. Jina la Yesu gari aliondoke. Tunakukemea shetani. Huna mamlaka kabisa. Kwa jina, huu ni utani tu unaoje shetani. Unafanya utani. Maana hautachukua gari langu hata kidogo. Jina la Yesu litasimama. Jina la Yesu litasimama. Kwa jina la Yesu.
Liza, who is the Morogoro Regional Coordinator for the Tanzania Commission for AIDS Talk AIDS, was with his wife and brother in the car as the rain started and decided to get off it as the rain intensified. In the end, the car wasn't taken away.